Xiaomi will unveil the Mi 8 at its annual flagship event in Shenzhen, China, on May 31st. However, leaks about the smartphone continue to surface online even with just 2 days to go for the launch. We have compiled recent leaks and rumors to form a collective roundup of everything we know about the Xiaomi Mi 8. Display and design. The retail box and promotional images of the Xiaomi Mi 8 have been leaked online, giving us a glimpse of the smartphone's design. The biggest and most noticeable change in this aspect will be the notch cutout on the Mi 8's display. The smartphone appears to house a smaller bottom bezel as compared to its predecessor, with no sign of a home button. The rear panel may also witness a slight change, with the dual camera setup being vertically aligned. The circular fingerprint sensor, however, sits on the same place as the Mi 6. Xiaomi Mi 8 could also feature a 5.65-inch Full HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 19:9. Processor, RAM and storage. As for specs, the Mi 8 is expected to house Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 845 processor. The same SoC powers competing flagships like OnePlus 6 and Huawei P20 Pro. In terms of memory, the Xiaomi Mi 8 could come in variants of 6GB and 8GB RAM, with storage options ranging from 64GB to 256GB. Camera. For selfies, Xiaomi Mi 8 is said to sport a 16-megapixel front camera with f/2.0 aperture. Rumors claim that the Mi 8 will also come with a 3D facial recognition system that will be on a par with the iPhone X's Face ID. A new leaked video also